Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy new nails. I wanted to share with you my nails for New Year's. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Kiss Natural nails. And I'm going to glue these on with my dollar store super glue, and then I'm going to paint them. I'm going to polish them with some Essie nail polish, and this color looks kind of fun and festive, and it's called Mod Square. So what I've done, my nails are all ready to go, and I'm just going to choose my nails in accordance with the size of my nails. So I'm just going to do that, and then once I get my nails glued on, I'm going to polish, and then I have my Insta-Dry top coat from Sally Hansen that I will put on at the end. So what I will do here is find my sizes, and I love these natural nails because they're not super long. So I figured we could have a little chat on this New Year's Day. I started to watch, if you have Netflix, you have to check this show out called The Bridgertons. And it's like takes place in the 1800s. And it is like English gentry and society, and it's really, really good. I watched the first season like in 3 days because it was just really good. Yeah, so you should definitely check that out if you can. Yeah, if you are a Downton Abbey fan, which I am, this is like Downton Abbey. I don't want to say X-rated, but Downton Abbey, no holds barred, and it's fun. It's fun to watch, and the characters are, you like the characters really quickly. So yeah, if you're looking for something to watch to pass the time, that's a good one. I recommend it. All right, all my nails are picked. Now I'm going to glue them on. All right, let's get them glued on. Is this my old glue? Is there any glue in here? Let me see. I'm going to cut the tip off of that. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not out of this glue, because that will be bad. Nothing in here. I wonder if this was my old one. I'm going to go check and see if I have another glue. Well, That's not good. I ran out of my dollar store glue, so I'm gonna have to use the glue that comes with the nails. And I've never been a fan of this glue because I don't think it lasts like that super glue, but I don't have a choice, so okay. I'm just gonna let these dry a little bit, let the glue dry a few seconds before I take the little tabs off. You can see, and I am not worried about the bubbles, the air bubbles underneath, because it's not going to show with the nail polish. All right, so I'm going to take the little tabbies off. And then I'm just going to give it a little file just at the top, because there's just like a tiny little leftover piece from the tab, but it's barely anything, so. Okay, so now I'm going to paint my nails. This is a very hot pink, but I want something fun and exciting for the new year. Not that I'm going anywhere or doing anything, but if you're like me, you're all set with 2020. Although, we have to realize that there have been some good things that have happened in this year. And if you look at your own life, I'm sure that there are good things and blessings. For me, I had a very big blessing this year. On Christmas Eve, I became a grandma, and I'm very excited. I have a new baby grandson that was born on Christmas Eve. My son and my daughter-in-law became proud parents, and I am very, very happy and very, very blessed for that. So I always believe that babies are God's message to us that life is going to continue on this planet and that we are meant to be here and keep it going. So hopefully we do that, and this year we somehow repair the damage that's been done by COVID. You know, it's hard to deal with the fact that, you know, I couldn't see him when the day he was born, and none of us could go to the hospital, and, you know, they had to be basically quarantined in the hospital together until they could come home. And I had to wait to see him for a couple days, and then when I did see him, I had to wear a mask, which is so hard. You know, couldn't see my face, and not that he can see yet. I mean, he could see, but not that he's focusing and realizing, and I hope that soon we don't have to wear a mask. But boy, I'll tell you, it's different, and it's not what we're used to. I don't like it. I hate wearing a mask. I wear it, but we all do. But better days are coming. We have to think positive and send those good thoughts and good vibes out into the ethers. But I try to count my blessings instead of getting angry or depressed, which is very easy to do in this environment. And I'm just getting the tips, because the tips clearly show as white the little top of the nail. But it's like things happen to ruin our plans all the time. Like today, and today is actually New Year's Eve. You will see this on New Year's Day. But my husband and I only had to work until 1, and he had the day off. But he works in a school, and one of the guys that went in for him today discovered a leak. One of the boilers is leaking, or some pipe in the ceiling connected to the boilers is leaking. So he had to leave and go deal with repairs to a leaky pipe. And we're supposed to get Chinese food later. I'm gonna go pick it up at 5. And I don't even know if he'll be home in time. So yeah, your plans get thwarted, but we have our health, and we have jobs, and we have a warm home, and we have so many things to be grateful for. So I'm not going to get mad or upset that my plans got messed up, and I will still go get the Chinese food at 5. And if all goes according to plan, he'll be home shortly thereafter, and we'll still eat our Chinese food, and we will hang out together on New Year's Eve one way or another. I may eat the food if he's not here, and he can eat some when he gets home. Or I may keep it warm and wait for him. We'll see. I'm hoping that he gets back in plenty of time. But it just depends on when the boiler people can get out there, and if they make him wait. And So we just don't know. It's always something. All right, now I'm going to let these dry, and then I will put a top coat on. But they look gorgeous. I really love this color. Really love this color. All right, so I'm just going to let these dry and I'll be back. All right. So I'm going to put my top coat on real quick. I've let them dry for about 10 minutes and that should be good. Need my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to put a quick top coat on. Give it a nice shine and protect them. And this is a fast drying top coat, which is great. Okay, love the color, love the length. They look fabulous. You can check them out. I'm very happy with them. This top coat should dry pretty quickly. So I'm going to give a toast to you with my tea. It's only 2:45 in the afternoon, so I'm not going to get my champagne out just yet. But I wanted to wish you all the happiest and healthiest of New Year's. I hope that everything that you wish for in the new year comes true. Here's to a brand new year and hopefully a better year than last year. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.